One of the simplest ways to make money online is by watching videos. Think of getting a notification from your phone when you wake up in the morning saying that you earned money while you slept. What if I told you there was a way to make these significant sums of money with little to no effort? It might sound like wishful thinking or daydreaming. I'm going to show you a few apps today that will pay you for ordinary activities, like watching movies, such as those you already engage in. This approach is totally free and needs no money, investments, engagements on social media, affiliate marketing, or selling. The best part is that it is available globally, so anyone from anywhere in the world can use it and earn money in the same way that I do. In 2022, this will be a simple way to make money online, and I'll show you how to make money quickly by leveraging the best and most effective platforms. Welcome to Financial Fluence, and in this video, I'll demonstrate how you can earn $50 per hour by doing so. Number 1. Instagc.com. The first application on our list is currently displayed on your screen. On their Facebook page, they are extremely open about how they make money with this software, and we can see that when it comes to paying users via PayPal. Direct deposit and gift cards are additional options if you don't have PayPal. There is no need to download this software because it works on both iOS and Android smartphones. When you use the app again, you'll be rewarded for actions you've already taken online, like watching videos and completing surveys. Watching videos, which you can find right here, is the one activity I strongly advise because it pays the most. Open a lot of videos and start playing them all at once. You may also do surveys as you watch these movies to increase your earning possibilities. All you need to do to get started is sign up here to receive free points. To get free points, you can either link your Twitter or Facebook accounts. Follow the instructions we gave you and make some money on this first website, which once again is called Instagc.com. Number 2. Appkarma.io. The second piece of software on our list is a terrific one that you can earn money from just by downloading and using. You don't have to pay anything to use this app, which works on both iOS and Android devices. The best part is that you may start earning bonus points right away, worth a few bucks, just for downloading the app. This app's referral scheme offers another revenue stream. You'll receive a portion of the earnings of everyone you suggest who makes a particular amount. So you'll be waiting around while others labor for them to earn money for you. The finest feature of this service is the ability to earn money just by signing in daily. As was already said, this app gives you rewards just for signing in and doing things. Simply earn these badges to increase your earning potential with the app. By doing certain tasks, you can also raise your level or earn badges, which will result in a better reward level. You can download Appkarma.io, the second app, right now and start earning money while you snooze. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. And let's continue. Number 3. Cashkick.com. The third app is Cashkick.com, which will pay you in actual cash via bank transfer or PayPal. The only difference between it and Instagc.com is that Cashkick will pay you more. You can see that they offer services that are comparable to those of Instagc. Therefore, you may use it in the same manner as we did with the first software to increase your earning potential. Just complete the necessary fields to get started on your new account and begin making money right away. Number 4. Superpayme. Moving on to the fourth app, Superpayme, which offers free paid surveys that can earn you a lot of money in the shortest period of time because their payment turnaround is just a day, which is entirely safe and reliable and allows you to collect your profits within a day of waiting. Additionally, the cash out threshold is relatively low. By the way, you will receive a welcome bonus when you sign up for this app, which is incredible given that it is clear they have invested a significant sum of money. As of right now, the idea behind this app is fairly straightforward. You just reply to surveys. This app's openness and transparency regarding rewards is something I appreciate. You can see here the total rewards that this app has received worldwide. All you have to do to sign up for this app is click here and fill out the form so they can start your money-making account. Number 5. Smartapp.io. We now come to the fifth and final software on our list, Smartapp.io, which you can download to any phone or device and use to make money by just checking in. As you can see, there are evaluations of the software's functionality, and they are all favorable. Before you can download the app and start making money by just signing up, you must first register a free account and complete the survey for the Smart App Research Project. By signing up, responding to a few questions, and supplying some basic information, you can receive free bonuses and cash every day. And after that, you've got yourself a new source of income. You should definitely take advantage of these amazing opportunities to earn money online. To do these activities, you won't need any specialized knowledge. All you have to do is watch videos, complete surveys, and log in daily. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.